Scenarios refer to the different contexts in which the content is intended to be used or applied. They represent specific circumstances where the content is expected to fulfill a particular purpose or meet specific user needs. There is a scenario known as the default scenario, which lacks a specific context. However, you have the flexibility to create multiple scenarios and introduce several layers of explicit context. Important to remember, the default scenario serves as a fallback option, meaning that if the conditions of any other scenario are not met, the system will automatically trigger the default scenario. It acts as a safety net, ensuring that there is always a scenario available to handle situations where the defined conditions for other scenarios may not be satisfied. Context is established by leveraging the data available in the dataset and AI recipes. For instance, let's consider a scenario involving content related to stock markets. In this case, you may create a scenario where you define specific conditions for the day-to-day change in the NASDAQ Composite Index. You can set rules stating that a change should be greater than a certain value, lower than a specific value, or fall within a specified range of values to trigger the text contained within the segments of a scenario to populate. To switch between different scenarios, you can navigate to the drop-down menu by clicking on the arrow symbol. From there, you can select the desired scenario on which you wish to work. This functionality allows you to easily transition and access different scenarios within the system, enabling you to focus on specific contexts for content creation. To define the trigger rules for scenarios, you can utilize the following comparison operators. Equals represents equality, where the value is equal to the specified condition. Less than indicates a comparison where the value is less than the given condition. Greater than signifies a comparison where the value is greater than the provided condition. Less than or equal to denotes a comparison where the value is less than or equal to the specified condition. Greater than or equal to represents a comparison where the value is greater than or equal to the given condition. Exclamation point equal to, this represents inequality, where the value is not equal to the specified condition. Furthermore, you have the ability to construct complex scenarios by utilizing the and or operators to combine multiple scenario rules. And this operator allows you to create a scenario rule that requires all specified conditions to be met simultaneously. On the other hand, the OR operator enables you to define a scenario rule where any one of the specified conditions can be met for the scenario to be triggered. It is also possible to combine the and or operators to create exceptionally intricate scenarios.